anthropology in tribal and rural development. See, anthropology provides valuable insights on social, economic, socio-culture, economical and political aspects of tribal and rural people. So please write. Anthropology provides valuable insights on socio-cultural, economical and political aspects of tribal and rural areas. According to B. K. Roy Burman, the development of these areas underwent 4 phases of development. First phase is providing immediate relief. Second phase of development focused on resource mobilization. Third phase focused on education and reduction of disparities. Fourth phase focused on providing basic amenities and alleviation of poverty. All these are welfare-based schemes, policies and programs. At present, the policies, programs and schemes are in the direction of empowerment and rights-based approach. Lipton and Toy in 1990 observed that the amount of money spent on development of agriculture and allied activities in tribal and rural areas increased from 2% to 30% from 1960s to 1990. According to them, Indian planners wanted to achieve self-sufficiency in food grains, and therefore there is an increased allotment primary sector along with first green revolution. Anthropology helps in tribal and rural development in the following ways: understanding local cultures and their practices, identifying the needs of local people, enhancing participation, also lead to sustainable development. Next, facilitating communication. I get my point. Next paragraph is right. So these are some important aspects.
Selecting the right optional subject for the UPSC exam can be a daunting task, especially if you're aiming to succeed on your first attempt. But what if there's a crucial element that could make all the difference? That element is continuous answer writing practice at Vijeta IAS Academy. Our Anthropology Optional Foundation program offers a comprehensive approach. Not only will you delve deeply into the subject matter, but you will also engage in daily and weekly answer writing exercises. Each of your answers will be meticulously reviewed and critiqued by P Kishore Sir, ensuring you receive personalized feedback to enhance your skills. This approach has already helped many students achieve impressive marks and ranks, such as Akanksha Singh, 311 marks in Anthro CSE 2022. Chaudhary Shipra Vijay Kumar, 307 marks in Anthro CSE 2022. Ajink Kumar, who cracked UPSC in his first attempt, and many more. With daily feedback and structured practice, you will be well prepared to succeed in the UPSC examination. With our focused feedback and structured practice, you'll be well equipped to improve your performance and boost your chances of securing a top rank in the CSE. Don't wait any longer. Enroll in Vijeta IAS Academy today and unlock the proven success formula for conquering the UPSC exam.